Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I am sharing with you my top niacinamide based products. These are products that I have reviewed and loved, possibly emptied, possibly repurchased, or used over and over and over again. Or products that I simply used and still dream about. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Consider subscribing. I upload every Sunday. What exactly is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a versatile skincare ingredient that helps to target multiple skincare concerns such as pore size, it tightens lax or stretched pores, helps improve uneven tone at a concentration of 5% or more. It also helps to soften the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles. It also helps to improve dull skin, and it also helps to strengthen your protective barrier. Niacinamide is of course water soluble and it can work on all skin types. Niacinamide can be used morning or night. Niacinamide can be used with peptides, hyaluronic acid, AHAs, BHAs, retinol, and vitamin C. One of my favorite ways to use niacinamide is with my tretinoin prescription, as it helps to minimize redness, irritation, flaking. Niacinamide can be incorporated into your routine during your teens to help manage oil production and also reduce congestion. If introducing niacinamide to the skin, do perform a patch test and start at a very low concentration so as not to cause any adverse reaction. I will not start in order of like my top or my favorite. I'm just going to share them with you all. Whenever I do get to my favorite, I'll let you know. I will start with a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. This is a versatile highlighting serum that hydrates and visibly reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation. It gives the skin a dewy, reflective glow without the use of mica, glitter, or a gray cast. It pairs niacinamide with watermelon, which delivers vitamins, amino acids to the skin and also visibly brightens skin. Within this formula, we also see hyaluronic acid, which helps the skin to look plump and feel bouncy as it helps to draw moisture to the skin. I will link my review to the serum up above for you. I feel like it is one of the most watched reviews here on my channel, and I also think it's quite dated. This is the second unit I have used of Watermelon Glow Dewdrops. I love a dewy, luminous, glass-like appearance to the skin all year long. This serum gives my skin the most amazing glow without making my skin feel oily or look like an oil slick at the end of the day. It doesn't stop there, however. Once I rinse this off, I can see a notable difference in not just the appearance of my pores, but also the glow factor of my skin. Pores appear smaller, almost blurred, and pore health, I feel, improves over time. I like using this as part of my daytime routine with or without makeup. On my skin today, I am wearing the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. This gives the skin a sun glow. Let me know if you would like a review on this, a standalone review on this, down in the comments. I do have a review on this, so I have to look at the ingredients. I have yet to even look at the ingredients to see what is different or if it's just the tint that is new. If so, I am living for the tint. Unlike other products, I feel like this actually gives me a sheer, like, sun exposed appearance to the skin, which I love. I am wearing self tanner. This kind of matched the tanner that I had going on here over here. Next up, I have the Paula's Choice Niacinamide 20% treatment. Looks like this. I am obsessed with the color purple this year. I do not know why. This is a highly concentrated niacinamide serum that visibly minimizes the appearance of pores, bumpy skin, addresses excess oil, and uneven tone. I will link my review to this up above. This pairs niacinamide with vitamin C to visibly brighten, refine texture, and meadow sweet extract to firm, thus improving the appearance of pores. Unlike Watermelon Glow, this does not give me the most amazing glow of my life, but I did notice a difference in pores, overall texture, and improvement in tone when using this. This is a highly concentrated serum, so I do recommend this to someone who has already used niacinamide-based serums before. Say perhaps you tried the 10% version of this and you were ready for something new. Check this out. I also love that this is fragrance free. I would use a few drops of this as part of my nighttime routine. So no glow, she goes down to the nighttime routine. Next up is something I do not have in my collection, but something I truly loved. Let me double check. I don't have. I will show you a picture of the Henriksen Skin Barrier Strengthening Moisturizer with Peptides and Niacinamide. This is a daily moisturizer powered by peptides, amino acids, and collagen that hydrates, boosts elasticity, and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and strengthens the skin's barrier. I will link my review to that product up above for you. I love the balmy feel to this moisturizer. It hydrates the skin nicely. It can be massaged into the skin, so it's perfect for a long day when you need some assistance winding down. It also has a really soft smell from what I remember, and it feels so delicious on the neck and chest. It's not sticky and it works well overnight. But if you do decide to use that during the day, it will make makeup appear more blurred, flawless, without the feeling of a thick dimethicone type of primer or moisturizer. That was a favorite of mine, I believe in 2021. I think that was the year that that product launched. It does contain fragrance, so do beware. However, it did not irritate or cause redness or sensitize my skin at all. I loved using that specific product as part of my daytime routine under my favorite sunscreen. I love that it made makeup look great. It blurred the appearance of pores without, again, the feel of dimethicone, which sometimes I just can't tolerate it. Now on to my favorite. I told you I would tell you when my favorite was coming. This is like my top. This is it. The Farmacy 10% Niacinamide Night Mask. She looks like this. This is a smoothing leave-on mask with 10% niacinamide that improves skin texture, refines pores, and supports the skin's moisture barrier. I think this is perfect for all skin types dealing with pores, dull skin, and uneven texture. I love that this pairs niacinamide with panthenol and beta-glucan to hydrate and strengthen your skin's barrier. I will link my review to this product up above if you want to learn more about it. As always, you can use my code Nadia20 at farmacybeauty.com and it will save you 20% off all of your pharmacy favorites. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission. I never know what you pick up, but I do know when my code is used. And to tell you how much I appreciate those who have used my code is absolutely necessary. It just always brings a smile to my face. So thank you all very much. This was and has been a favorite of mine since it launched. I keep it on rotation at all times, and I use it at least once or twice a week when I want to minimize the appearance of pores, plump the skin overnight, and also improve upon its texture. I, however, do not use this as an overnight mask. I use it as a moisturizer. I apply a moisturizer-like layer on my skin as the final step of my skincare routine. And again, I treat it like a moisturizer, not like a mask. I do not apply a generous amount. If you do, you may find that this feels heavy, sticky. It may even end up in your pillowcase. I just love its velvety feel, and even if you apply a moisturizer like layer to the skin, it will still feel velvety, it will still moisturize, it will still work. The next day, my skin looks radiant, pores appear smaller, and my makeup just goes on so nicely. I love this. It's probably one of my favorite Farmacy products, I think. Favorite. Obsessed. Love this. You need this. This is the last one I will talk about, and it is the Drunk Elephant B-Goldi Bright Drops. I actually store these upside down. Easy access. Store upside down. This is actually a new favorite, and one I would recommend to those who are looking to try something in the niacinamide family, as it's only got 5% niacinamide, and as we all know, any Drunk Elephant formula contains the best ingredients available. This is an illuminating serum that adds a sheeny golden finish to the skin. It also evens tone, improves clarity, and radiance. I will link my review to this up above for you as well, in case you'd like to see it in action. I love this because it can give any serum that I am pairing this, or any moisturizer that I am pairing this with, a luminous finish, and it can definitely give skin a boost. I will say, however, that the glow or the luminous finish that this product gives my skin is nowhere near the glow that I get from this. So this is definitely top as far as luminosity is concerned. This is definitely right below it. My favorite way to use this is by mixing it with the Proteiny Polypeptide Cream for a nice dewy glow and loads of anti-aging benefits. I do like to wear this to the gym as well, since I don't like wearing makeup to the gym. I do make sure to use a tinted sunscreen over top this product as well, and the luminosity of this just kind of peeks through. For a glow underneath the eye area, you may want to pair this with First Aid Beauty Brighten and Glow Eye Cream. Next, I will be sharing 3 products that are not necessarily my favorite, but are definitely worth a mention in this video. These are products that I have reviewed and loved and wish I used more, but I just don't do so because the other ones that I did mention are just top tier for me. So the Youth to the People Retinol Niacinamide Youth Serum. This has like such a beautiful color. This is a great anti-ager, great anti-acne serum. This is clarifying, pore minimizing, not as hydrating, but also not overly drying. It's just like right in between. This is definitely best for someone in their 30s looking to delay the signs of aging, minimize pores, breakouts, and also improve tone. Next up, I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. I mentioned this in my best of Sephora spring sale recommendations. Every time I just see this jar, I just want to put it all over my face. This gives me plump, juicy, hydrated skin with some very slight, very minimal resurfacing. This is just yummy. This would work on younger, more youthful skin. Someone in their late 20s dipping their toes into acids or acid blends, who's looking for plump, juicy skin. Finally, I did use this today before I sat down to film, but this is the Drunk Elephant F-Balm Electrolyte Water Facial. Similar to Watermelon Glow Mask, this instantly plumps and refreshes the skin, hydrates the skin so well. I use this as a 10-minute mask after an exfoliating mask to rehydrate, recharge, and plump the skin. I think that if you are perhaps maybe a little dehydrated, maybe, you know, a little hungover from the night before, no judgment here. This would be great for your skin just to kind of revive, revitalize, refresh, wake you up a little, you know? That's all I have for you today. What is your favorite niacinamide based product? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm sure I forgot to mention other favorites. If I did, it's, you know, not personal. I just forgot. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give the video a like if you learned something new today. Consider subscribing if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone, and welcome back to a heli flying up above.